My name is Nadila Asmarita. NIM 21003216. My major is special needs education. Now I will tell my future dreams plan. For the future, I must continue to be grateful and fierce to God Almighty. I want to finish college with the best grade and on time. I want to make both parents happy, the most life safely under my protection. At the age of 21, I will going to study master. At 23, must be able to complete the work of college. Will going to be a success person in many ways. I will going find a job according to my skill. After being accepted, I will learn to save to make a place to live or a house that I will dream of later. I want to make the house feel purple. I will a simple but comfortable house. I want to my family to feel comfortable and safe when I'm at home. In the future, I want to doing things that are positive and motivation many people, especially my family. And I want to going sightseeing, where I want when I successful. And I also want to get my younger sibling to become successful people. And for now, I think that I dream of in the future and hopefully it can be even better. Okay, thank you. Next time. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.